I asked you guys to send in your insane Fortnite clips, and I gotta thank each and every one of you that did, because there were so many freaking cool clips to go through, and I had to narrow it down to like my top 10 to 12. With that being said, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a completely free video editor that is amazing and packed full of features. You can export up into a 4K resolution, there's no watermark, and yes, it's perfect for YouTube creators. Let's get editing. The free video editing software that we're going to be checking out today is called WaterMark Vlogger. You can go to their website, as you can see right here, or link description below as always. Go ahead and download this application for Windows and for Mac. The installation process is very straightforward, and just for the people that always ask, no, this is not a virus. Now with the video editor installed on my computer, I've gone ahead and launched it, and I've created a brand new project, and we're calling it MidnightMan's Fortnite subscriber montage. I think that's perfectly fitting, honestly. For the video resolution, I'm good to keep this at a 1080p quality, and then for the frame rate, I'm cool to keep this at 30 FPS. With that all set, I'm gonna go ahead and select New Project. Now for those of you guys brand new to this editor, don't get alarmed if you see this pop-up saying that you need to enter a license code. Yeah, you're gonna wanna get that license code to unlock the full version, but it's completely free. You see where it says don't have a license code? Well, go to the right of that and select get one for free. Put in your email address, then go to your email and then just paste in the license code and you're all set to go. Okay, let's start importing some clips. Highlight all of these and then drag them into my project. Now I also wanna go into my music and sounds folder, and this is where I have a few different sound effects that we're gonna use, as well as the primary song for the montage. So let's also take these bad boys and drag them in. Now I'm just gonna take all of these clips and drag them all onto the video track timeline. Now we don't have these clips in the right order just yet, so what we can do to put them in the right order is just take the clip that you want and then drag it to the right spot. I love that this timeline just snaps into place, so it's really easy to get around it. Move this one to the middle. Move that one there. I think I have the clips placed where I want them. Now we just need to crop them down. I'm just gonna grab the corners and then just bring them in to where I need. If you look at the middle of this video editor, you're gonna see all the typical features that a video editor loves to have quickly at their disposal, from being able to split clips, crop them, add motion such as zooming in and out, detaching the audio, recording your voice if you want. You can add text, and there's also an extractor feature which will try to interpret what you're saying and convert that speech into text. If you need to change your video resolution settings, then you can select this option here, and then you have your export button to the right of that. So if you've made it this far in the video, those are all your main features of this editor, which makes it super easy to use. There's not a whole bunch of complicated stuff. But that, of course, doesn't mean that's everything in the software. Let's keep going. If I go back to my media library, now it's time to add in the main music of this montage, which is Fall by Isaac App. It's a fire song and it's free to use on YouTube, which makes this perfect. Now this first clip by Century has music in it, so it's clashing with the music that I've just added for the montage. So over to the right here, you're gonna see some specific clip features that you can play around with, and one of those is gonna be the volume. So I'm gonna scroll down here just a little bit, and we're just gonna mute the volume on this track. And now I can hear my main montage song as well as the video here. One of the most important things with montages is lining up the music with what's happening in the video. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So I'm making small tweaks and adjustments to the trimming of the video clip so that it can fit with what's happening in the song when there's like a certain downbeat of the music. But there's one thing I want to add here to take this montage to the next level, and that's adding in a little bit of time warp, speeding up, slowing down sort of effects. So let's just take the first one, for example. Let me split the area that I want to do a special effect on, and here we're just gonna go to the speed option. So thank you WaterMark for making this so easy, as you have an option here called Montage. Let's see what this looks like. That's the idea. So word of advice, especially if you're doing slow-mo speed up effects, have an idea of what clips those are gonna be before you actually go through and complete your edit. Okay, syncing of music and clips is complete. That took me like an additional 30 minutes to do. I'm gonna add a new audio track, and I'm gonna bring in my shotgun sound effects. And I'm trying to line up perfectly. I wanted to also add in a cheeky little audio effect when this player dies right there. So I brought in a duck quack effect for when you die. I'm sorry, bro. Let me zoom in here. We want the duck quack effect to be right there. So I'm gonna move it, and now it'll be lined up. You have to keep playing with things when it comes to editing. Someone uses the shockwave grenade launcher, blast this other person out of the map, literally. So we have a little nice effect for them too. And I wanna zoom in on this guy's face. So I'm gonna split it. So now with the clip selected, I'm gonna go ahead and select this option here. And this gives me the rectangle selection box around the clip. So now with that selected, I'm just gonna take the corners. I'm gonna blow this up. Wait, I lost the clip. Oops, we're good. I got the clip back. I just had to set it back to the default. I'm gonna put him in there twice just to do like a little face cam example for those of you guys that wanna do that. So let's just copy this. We're just gonna paste it in. And now I'm just gonna move it down to the overlay track. And now on that same overlay track, I'm gonna apply a crop to this. And I'm literally just gonna crop out a box here. Some final effects I wanna add here are actual effects and transitions. So let's take a peek at the effects here first. Got like the Matrix looking numbers here. We got fireflies, we got fireworks. I don't really know how much these would really fit, but you know which ones would fit well? I think illusion here. That looks pretty cool. Let's add that to something. And it's gonna make an effect track. Yeah, that's cool. And then just a transition or two. And before I forget, file, save project as. Yes, save. I'm too used to using Final Cut to where it just automatically saves what I'm doing. For other video editing softwares, you gotta save like a normal person. Let's mess with the saturation a little bit. Exposure's pretty good. A little bit of contrast. There's even an advanced color and filter editor that we could look at if you wanted to go this route. I don't think we need to go this far for this montage. I think it looks pretty good, but it's time to export, ladies and gentlemen. The montage is officially complete. Let's go.
We on the top and we ain't gonna fall. It's an obsession, a habit you call. We hitting automatic, never stall. Only got one tactic, do it all. I'm from the bottom, I hate what I saw. I couldn't walk, so I learned how to crawl. They wanna talk when you're back to the wall. So I say later, my aim move is small. Money grows from my intuition. I just bought a crib, that's my first edition. People hate it when you claim a vision, but I use a static when I hit ignition. Hungry moves, I'm faster in a minute. I stay fresh to death, I'm in a mid condition. Forging heat, no matter where I've been, and give me any place, and it'll be a kitchen. This how we flow to the top. I'm on a wave and it never gonna stop.
Bye, have a great time.
24 seconds, I slip like a shot. I'm making this an eternal shot. Permanent stain in the flow, ink blot. Don't step to me when I get too hot. I'ma end your life and it's all you got. We on the top and we ain't gonna fall. It's an obsession, a habit you call. We hitting automatic, never stall. Only got one tactic, do it all.
Let's go! Can we get GG's in the chat? Let's go.
What you guys think about that montage we were able to put together using this free video editing software? Let me know in the comment section. But huge shout outs to Ballin, BNA K-Dots, Century, Benji Season, Chenyan, Salty Battle Axe Gaming, Zach Burnett, OP Ninja, and Blue Bolt. Thank you so much for submitting your clips. This video would not have been possible without you. Also, shout out to the folks at the Guarantee, the creators of Video Proc, for sponsoring this video. So don't forget to go check them out. I've left the links in the description below. It's a very good piece of software for being free. With that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.